We are together, right? We are here for what happened in Afghanistan, right? We are our voices for Afghanistan, right? Can you guys one last last? Please, embrace the Can we show that we are really listen? After my sister speaks. We're going back! We're going back! No! No! No!
And it's clear that there is going to be, or there is going to be very shortly, a new government in Kabul, or a new political dispensation, however you want to put it. And I think it's very important that the West collectively should work together to get over to that new government, be it by the Taliban or anybody else.
Canada firmly condemns the escalating violence, and we are heartbroken at the situation the Afghan people find themselves in today. This is especially so given the sacrifices of Canadians who believed and continue to believe in the future of Afghanistan. We will continue to work with allies and the international community to ensure that those efforts were not in vain. We are committed to Afghanistan and to the Afghan people.
Wir setzen jetzt alles daran, unseren Staatsangehörigen und unseren ehemaligen Ortskräften eine Ausreise in den kommenden Tagen zu ermöglichen. Die Umstände, unter denen das stattfinden kann, sind aber derzeit schwer vorherzusehen.